Today, we are going to check out some of the top and coolest gadgets that are currently live on Kickstarter, which are currently open for crowdfunding. You can make use of the timestamp to jump to a specific one. The first item on the list is the titanium multifunctional folding utility knife. It is made from the strongest material, GR5 titanium, and cut by CNC machining. It also has a minimalistic design, and it looks simple, clean, and stylish. The knife has an interchangeable blade system, which makes it easy to change the blades when needed. This makes it a perfect everyday carry tool. Regarding their funding goal, they aim to raise $3,821 through crowdfunding, but they have already surpassed their funding goal. Currently, there are 77 backers who have backed this project, and there are still 27 days left for the campaign to end. This information is taken at the time of scripting this video, so it may change with time. Also, other project-related information you can find in the description section. You can check that out to learn more about this product. Next, we have another everyday carry tool. It is called a Tipen Mini. It focuses on being tough and always ready. This tiny tool is compact. It measures just 4.75 centimeters long, 0.8 centimeters wide, and weighs just 9 grams in total, which makes it the smallest and easiest to carry EDC tool. The gadget has a magnetic quick-release cap, which allows instant one-handed access. This magnetic system makes snapping on and off simple and satisfying. It has a ceramic tip. It is not an ordinary pen tip. It is rated 9.5 on the Mohs hardness scale, which is just below a diamond. One can smoothly write on many surfaces. These include paper, cardboard, and tape. Not only that, it can also score and slice packages. It can open lids, and in an emergency, it can even shatter glass. Seeing all applications, the Tipen Mini is more than just a pen. It is versatile, waterproof, and fireproof too, which makes it extremely durable. Currently, this tiny monster is live on Kickstarter. You can find the rest of the details in the description. Next, we have another useful EDC tool. This is the Tightener Titanium EDC Wallet. This wallet is designed to be very thin. Its ultra-slim and minimalist design makes it a must-have EDC tool. It measures just 10 millimeters thick and weighs just 2.5 ounces. This is super small and lightweight compared to traditional wallets. This wallet can hold up to 5 to 8 cards, making it an efficient card storage system. Plus, it has a quick-draw slot. One can use this for the main card, allowing smooth, fast access. The tool also has a hidden chamber. This area is foam-lined. It can store tiny essentials like SD and TF cards. Plus, it also has a hidden SIM pin. This can be used to eject SIM cards. It can also be used as a mounting point for keychains or AirTags. Apart from that, it offers RFID protection, which can shield your cards from digital theft. It is physically unbreakable and rust-proof. It resists corrosion, acids, and alkalis. Currently on crowdfunding, the wallet got an awesome response from backers. They have raised almost 26 times more than its initial funding goal. 745 people have backed this project, and there are still 23 days left for the campaign to end. Next, we have new cooking tools that will be appreciated by the home chefs. It is the HKGJ Smart Meat Thermometer. This device helps cook all types of meat perfectly. The device comes with 4 probes, which allow it to monitor up to 4 different meats at one time. Each of these probes is made from a stainless steel that tracks internal temperature with high accuracy. With this device, one can cook pork, poultry, and fish all at the same time and track them using a smart app. This app works on iOS and Android phones. The app shows live temperature charts, by which one can keep an eye on your cooking. Plus, one can also set a custom alert for each probe and has a preset cooking mode. Apart from that, the device also has a long wireless range connectivity. It uses Bluetooth connectivity to monitor cooking from up to 800 feet away. This gives peace of mind and helps you spend time with guests without hovering over the grill. The device is built tough and has a IPX7 waterproof rating. This means it can very easily withstand splashes and rain. It also has a long battery life. It offers up to 48 hours of runtime. Plus, it features ultra-fast charging. With a simple 30 minutes quick charge, it can run for long hours. Coming to its funding goal, the project has already passed its funding requirements, where 190 people have backed this project, and still there are 23 days left for the campaign to end. Next, we have a device that can turn your car into a cinema. It is called CarCine. This portable system brings the movie theater experience to your car. The device features a 32-inch screen that automatically unfolds. Here, 2 suction cups hold the screen firmly to your car roof. The screen has a built-in battery, offering up to 200 open and close cycles on a single charge. The system also includes a compact projector, which delivers 2K resolution with 700 lumens of brightness. As a result, you get bright, high-quality images. It also has automatic focus and advanced heat management to keep the projector working well. Also, setting up is super easy. It takes just 60 seconds. After that, you can control the screen and projector through an app. You can adjust brightness and other settings. Regarding their funding goal, they have already met it. 198 people have backed the campaign, and there are still 19 days left. Next, we have this new pillow that is designed specially for the people who love sleeping on their stomach. This pillow solves stomach sleeper problems and helps them get the perfect sleep they always wanted. Traditional pillows are often too thick for the stomach sleepers. As a result, they often cause neck pain. But this pillow for stomach sleeper is engineered for proper spinal alignments, which helps reduce discomfort. The pillow has a unique design that allows easy breathing, prevents the neck from bending too much, and helps sleep in a natural position. It is made from a special kind of foam. This foam is supportive but also soft. It easily adapts to your head and neck shape and provides personalized comfort. Because it solves a major problem of stomach sleeper. The campaign also got superb response from the people. Despite having 34 days still left, they have raised more than 16 times its funding goals, where 699 people have backed this project. Next is the next-gen cutting-edge cooling blanket. It is a solution to get a good night's sleep by keeping you much cooler. The blanket makes you feel 15 degrees Celsius cooler than your skin. For this, it uses special cooling fibers. These fibers continuously pull heat from your body, which helps you sleep comfortably even on hot nights. It is an antibacterial blanket. This helps keep towels fresh and clean. It also reduces the growth of germs. This is crucial for healthy and hygienic living. The blanket is suitable for various uses. You can use it in bed or on the couch. It is specially designed for anyone who struggles with overheating at night. The product is currently live on Kickstarter for crowdfunding. 338 people have already backed the project. You can find the rest of the details in the description. Next, we have something for gym and training use. This is the Cinomadist Swift, a backpack with 18 pockets, out of which 6 are quick grab pockets on the outside. A key feature of this backpack is a separate compartment for shoes. This helps keep dirty shoes away from clean items. Plus, it includes a waterproof pouch, which is useful for wet clothes or toiletries. The backpack has a luggage pass-through strap. This helps you attach it to a rolling suitcase, making travel easier. Also, all zippers on the backpack are YKK zippers, which are strong and reliable. This backpack is ideal not only for the gym, but also for office commutes or for outdoor enthusiasts who frequently walk. The product has already raised 20 times more than its funding goal. 147 people have shown interest in this product. Next, we have something that brings ancient Egyptian mystique to gaming. These are the Egyptian gemstone dice, which invite players to roll like pharaohs. These premium dice are inspired by the ancient city of Thebes in Egypt. Each die is crafted from eco-recycled gemstones, blending history, spirituality, and gaming. The dice feature sacred symbols, including the scarab beetle and the ankh. Ancient Egyptians believed these symbols held mystical powers and connect users with the universe. The collection includes a variety of beautiful stones. These include blue larvikite, Brazilian Amazon stone, rose quartz, amethyst, and African bloodstone. These gemstone dice are highly durable. They are resistant to chipping and cracking. They are made by carefully shaping natural gemstones. They are currently live on Kickstarter and are open for funding, where 52 backers have already supported this project. Next, we have another cool-looking dice set. This brings a touch of luxury to tabletop gaming. It is a set of hand-inlaid RPG dice and a matching dice box. It is crafted with great attention to detail. These dice are made from wood. This helps players securely hold them, giving a unique feel and sound when rolled. The box also features intricate inlay work done by hand. The set includes all standard RPG dice types. This means a D4, D6, D8, D10, D12, D20, and a percentile die. The wooden material offers a different weight and texture compared to common plastic or metal dice. The handmade nature of this product is key here. It is currently live on Kickstarter. 6 people have already backed this project. There are still 26 days left for the campaign to end. With that, we have finished 10 products currently open for funding on Kickstarter. Some solve major problems faced by humans, and some make your gaming experience more fun and interesting. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you want to learn about more such tech gadgets and cool finds.